Next, we will discuss a stratified sampling method. Stratified sampling is a method for selecting a random sample used to ensure that subgroups of the population are represented adequately. Here's a diagram that summarizes the stratified sampling procedure. The procedure can be outlined in the following steps. Step 1. Divide the population into subpopulations called strata. Step 2. From each stratum, obtain a simple random sample of size proportional to the size of the stratum. That is, the sample size for a stratum equals the total sample size times the stratum size divided by the population size. Step 3. Use all the members obtained in Step 2 as a sample. When is the stratified sampling useful? It is useful when the population is heterogeneous and contains several different groups. For example, the principal of a high school wants to survey the opinions of the students. They think that a sample of size 100 will be sufficient. There are a total of 1,000 students, 400 freshmen, 300 sophomores, 200 juniors, and 100 seniors. It won't be representative if in a sample of size 100 there were 25 students from each class. So they follow the procedure. Step 1. The population is already divided into classes that will be used as strata. Step 2. The sample size for each class will be determined by the formula k times n divided by the population size, where k is the class size and lowercase n is the sample size. From each class, we obtain a simple random sample of size proportional to the size of the class. That is, there will be 20 freshmen in the sample, 15 sophomores, 10 juniors, and 5 seniors. In Step 3, we combine all the members obtained in Step 2, so our sample will consist of 20 freshmen, 15 sophomores, 10 juniors, and 5 seniors. There are advantages and disadvantages for every procedure. The main advantage of the stratified random sampling is that the procedure ensures a high degree of representativeness of all the strata or layers in the population. But on the other hand, it is time-consuming and tedious. We discussed the stratified random sampling, the procedure itself, the example, and its main advantage and disadvantage.